Hey, good afternoon to you. It's Chuck here at Pals. So look at this vehicle. It was at another repair facility, and the repair facility, because some people are just afraid of hybrids. And as you can see, we have a hybrid Synergy drive. They advised the customer that they couldn't help them repair the vehicle. So he brought the vehicle to us. We work on hybrids all the time. The thing is, they didn't even take the time to look at the vehicle, I believe. And the reason for saying that is it had a relatively simple mechanical problem that you could have even on a gas engine car. If you look over here, you can see this here is an extension that's wired into the battery cable. What happened was the battery cable, due to corrosion, had eroded and rotted away and fell off. That's why there was no power whatsoever inside the car. No lights, no whistles, no bells, nothing came on. So when you have a situation like that, the two places you want to start are looking at fuses, okay, because you could have a maxi fuse or a fusible link that has failed. And you want to check your battery to make sure it's good and your connections. And what we had here was the cable had rotten enough that it fell off the terminal, but it was too short to be reattached. So we got a terminal repair kit and repaired this. And now car lights up, runs, we've had it running already, and all the bells and whistles work. So this problem could occur in a gas engine as well. So don't be scared of that hybrid. Or if you are, bring it to Pals. We'll gladly take a look at it for you, because we work on hybrids all the time. Hope to see you soon with your hybrid needs at Pals, or gas engine needs, or RV needs, or side-by-sides. We work on it all. Bring it to Pals.